So the day separates the night separates the day. But what if it's all about to change? Think about it. Can they really do it? We know the night and day are at separate time zones. But are they able to change it? Think about it for a second. Demons love darkness, so does the government. Are you starting to understand? Now, keep thinking about it. Do you really think they can change day and night to separate time zones? Do you really think it's possible to do it? Let me know in the comments, because here's the proof that they actually can. The awakening ones know what I mean with this, but the ones that are asleep probably don't. And I can see that. You sleep ones have to wake up one day. What's happening right now all across the world is not healthy. It is not good for our care. It is not good for our health. It is not good for nature and our planet Earth. While you're being poisoned and then, blaming it in God when it's just chemtrails. Absolutely sickening and shaming to humanity and for you sleeping ones. I hope you wake up one day and start realizing what's happening in our world. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave you guys with the rest of the video. A lot of things happening. And I'll see you again, truthers. Peace.
What is wrong with this picture? Is it me or is that thing not looking, its normal shape? What the hell? What's going on? Roaming through the chemicals or what? I would say go to the chemicals. That is just crazy.